What if I told you that the average B2B prospect needs to see your message 7 times before responding, but you're only reaching out once or twice? I'm Tony Kunner from Scaling Founder, the owner of Connect Digital, an 18-year digital marketing strategist and a veteran. And I recently worked with a B2B startup that was struggling with a measly 2% response rate. Within 30 days of implementing the strategy, I'm about to show you their response rate shot up to 17%. That is an 8.5x improvement without making a single additional cold call. I mean, just like you, I hate cold calling. Today, I'm revealing the multi-channel secret that's transforming B2B sales in 2025, and there's a whole module on it in my course. So if you're a B2B founder battling low response rates, constantly getting ghosted, or feeling like your outreach is disappearing into a black hole, this video is for you. The days of single channel outreach are dead. They're gone. But that doesn't mean you need to work harder. You need to work smarter with a coordinated multi-channel approach. Let me show you exactly how to do it. The core problem most B2B founders face is single challenge isolation. This typically shows up in three ways. First, the email-only trap. Sending sequences of emails and wondering why no one responds. The reality is your prospects receive 121 business emails a day on average, and yours are getting buried. Second, the LinkedIn only limitation. Sending connection requests and emails, but missing prospects who aren't active on the platform. According to LinkedIn's own data, every decision maker only checks the platform on average of 17 minutes a day. And third, the random acts of outreach, reaching out sporadically across channels without coordinating or cadence. This creates a disconnected experience that feels like separate salespeople are contacting the same prospect. The fundamental issue is that each of these approaches fails to align with how B2B buyers actually make decisions in 2025. And this happens across multiple channels, devices, and touch points. They do research. They are informed before they even get close to touching you or contacting you or buying you. So the single channel or uncoordinated approach is creating serious consequences for your sales results. What happens? First of all, abysmal response rates, typically 5% or lower when using a single channel, meaning 95% of your efforts generate zero engagement. Oh, dear. Okay. How terrible is that? Second, broken sales pipeline. With such low conversion at the top of your funnel, you're constantly struggling to fill your pipeline with qualified opportunities. And you know what they say, garbage in, garbage out. It's the same with leads. Bad leads in, bad leads out, unless you target and you get your targeting and the right leads in there. And third, wasted sales capacity. Your team is working hard but getting minimal results, creating frustration and turnover. Fourth, you get an extended sales cycle. When prospects do respond, it takes longer because they haven't built familiarity through multiple touches. They haven't seen your product or articles and blog posts and you know that kind of videos and that type of thing about the product. So they don't know it, so it takes longer. It's logical. Fifth and most critically, unpredictable revenue. When your outreach is inconsistent and uncoordinated, your results become erratic and hard to forecast. The startup I mentioned, they were sending 200 emails plus weekly with just 4 to 5 responses. Their sales team was demoralized and their growth had flatlined. That's the multi-channel gap most founders are facing. So here's your framework for creating problem-solving content that converts without cold calls. So step one, problem identification. Clearly articulate your specific challenge or the specific challenge your prospect faces, showing a deep understanding. Step two, consequent amplification. So explore the cost and risks of leaving this problem unresolved and unsolved, and create an urgency to have it solved, to get it solved because of the consequences. Step three, solution framework. Provide a clear approach to addressing the problem, delivering immediate value. And then step four, subtle positioning. Naturally illustrate how your offering fits within this solution framework without being pushy and just solving their problem. This structure works across formats, blog posts, videos, guides, courses, emails, because it aligns with how prospects actually make buying decisions. Just think for yourself. How do you make a buying decision? Do you go in uninformed? Do you go without looking at reviews? No, you don't. So that is exactly the same for your prospects. So let me introduce you to the 27 touch framework. This multi-channel approach has generated 3x higher response rates for smart B2B founders. The components are channel orchestration. So coordinating your outreach across email, LinkedIn, phone, blog, additional or other platforms, forums, Quora, where your prospects are active. So you need to know your prospect. You need to know where they congregate. Component two, sequence cadence. Timing your touches strategically over 3 to 4 weeks with specific pacing between the messages. Important. Specific times of the day when you send your messages. Specific days that you send the messages, because has been researched and it's proven you get better results. Component three, content progression. So evolving your message from value giving to direct ask as familiarity builds. And then you component four, your pattern interrupts. So incorporating unexpected elements to break through the noise. When implemented correctly, this framework creates omnipresence without overwhelming prospects. They see you everywhere, building familiarity and trust before you ask for a meeting. So let me show you how this works in practice with that startup I mentioned. They were exclusively using email sequences with generic templates and getting just 2% response. I mean, if you get another email with a question in the subject line, quick question, how quickly do you delete that? I mean, I just bomb it. We implemented the 27 framework for this client. So for channel orchestration, we expanded to LinkedIn, to email, and relevant industry forums where their prospects were active. We Reddit and places like that, Quora. So and then industry actual associations. So for sequence cadence, we designed a 3-week outreach rhythm with touches every 2 to 3 days, starting with LinkedIn before moving to email. And then for content progression, we began with valuable insights and resources, gradually building to a conversation, because only after delivering value did we ask. Excuse me. And then for pattern interrupts, we included LinkedIn voice notes and personalized videos to stand out. The results. Response rate jumped from 2% to 17% within 30 days. Meeting bookings increased from 3 per week to 12 per week. And their sales cycles shortened by 22% because prospects were already familiar with their message, all without a single additional cold call or working more hours. Just smarter coordination across channels. So, if you're struggling with low response rates and ineffective outreach, I've created a free 27 touch framework starter kit that includes the exact sequence template with timing for each touch, channel selection guide for different industries, scripts for each step in the process. This link or the link is in the description below. And if you're ready to master multi-channel outreach completely, check out my comprehensive Udemy course, B2B Sales Growth Hacking Masterclass. Module 3 is entirely dedicated on multi-channel outreach mastery with exact strategies and more. So hit the subscribe and notification bell, like this video, and you'll get more strategies like this coming to you for free. And let me know in the comments what your current response rate is. I personally respond to every comment. This is Tony Kunner from Scaling Founder in Connect Digital, and I am committed to helping you break through the noise and get the response you deserve. I'll see you in the next video.